Welcome to Session 19. Functions are rules that connect inputs to outputs. Today we evaluate functions, find domain and range, handle composite functions, and reverse linear functions with inverses. Function notation is substitution. Replace every x with the given input. Parentheses keep the input grouped, especially when the input is negative or algebraic. When the input is an expression, put the entire input in parentheses, every place x appears. If the output is given instead, set the function equal to that output. Domain is the set of allowed inputs. Denominators cannot be zero. Even root radicands must be non-negative. Polynomials, absolute value, and odd roots have no such restrictions. Range is the set of possible outputs. In vertex form, k is the minimum when the parabola opens up, and the maximum when it opens down. Composite functions work inside out. Inverses reverse input and output. Write y equals f of x, swap x and y, then solve for y. Your turn. If f of x equals x squared minus 4 and g of x equals 3x plus 1, find g of f of 3. Pause and work from the inside out. First, f of 3 is 9 minus 4, which is 5. Then g of 5 is 3 times 5 plus 1, which equals 16. Session 19 recap. Substitute the full input with parentheses. Domain is allowed inputs. Denominators cannot be zero. Even root radicands must be non-negative. And composite functions work inside out.